Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 26, 2025, we're analyzing Google, GOGL, stock, combining the latest news with in-depth chart analysis. Recent news highlights Alphabet's expanding AI ad strategy and solid Q1 2025 earnings, but regulatory scrutiny remains a concern. We'll assess how these factors, and particularly the potential AI exuberance pushing stocks higher, impact GOGL's price action. Some analysts believe Google stock could easily reach $500 due to AI. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective on the stock's performance. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a period of volatility followed by a general upward trend through much of 2024, with a more recent period of consolidation. Notice the peak in late December 2024 around $200, which could act as a resistance level. There have also been some large red candles in March and May 2025, indicating strong selling pressure at times. Also notice the large swing at the end of April, likely reacting to a news event. Let's narrow into early May. As we narrow in on the daily chart, from the start of May, we see a large red candle, potentially indicating a downward reversal. This could be a reaction to the overall market concerns or company-specific news. Now let's switch to the one-hour chart to examine the recent price action in more detail and see if we find confirmation in the short timeframes of this reversal. Looking at the one-hour chart starting early May, we see a sharp drop followed by a period of recovery. We can see the big red candle on May 7th much clearer, confirming a strong bearish move. After that, the stock recovered and hit resistance around the $167 to $169 levels in mid-May before attempting to stabilize around $170. It has since retraced from $172 to the $168 price range. The short-term trend is therefore slightly downwards. To pinpoint specific entry and exit points, let's zoom into a 15-minute chart. Focusing on the last few days on the 15-minute chart, the market appears to be attempting to stabilize at 168. However, given the news of the neutral analyst outlook combined with large volume sell-offs in the daily charts, it might be wise to be bearish short-term. Specifically, the stock needs to hold above $167 to be bullish. If it falls below $167 on high volume, that would imply further sell-offs in the short term. Conversely, breaking above $172 resistance with strong volume would suggest a possible bullish reversal. Long term, the key level to watch remains $200. A sustained break above $200, fueled by AI optimism and solid earnings, could indeed pave the way to $500, although that seems unlikely given current data.